Hey guys, here is May's Paper Pumpkin. This is called Manly Moments. It's some masculine cards. If you're not familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it's a monthly subscription. You can pay month to month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year at a time. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing for you, and then we will put the cards together. So as always, you get a Stampin' Up! Ink spot. This is Mossy Meadow. This is one of the new colors. Usually I use the full size, but I don't believe Mossy Meadow was one I had purchased. As a demonstrator, we are allowed to purchase some of the products before they become available June 1st, and I did not do the Mossy Meadow. So I will be using my Stampin' spot for the cards. Here is the stamp set. Let me get a piece of white paper so you can see. It says, happy to you, Father's Day, birthday, anniversary, thank you, favorite, dad, brother, uncle, son, grandpa, husband, friend, nephew, I love you for all you do. You are my adventure. So great sentiments for a man. And then as always, the card kit comes in this sealed, wrapped package with all the contents. So I'll go ahead and open it and we'll go through it. Okay, here is the instruction sheet. You get a colored picture of all the contents with the name of the stamp set and month. And then inside you get step-by-step directions. On the bottom there's a ruler, which is nice if you have to measure out any twine or anything like that. And then on the back it gives you a close-up of the cards it makes and the kit contents. So, Manly Moments Photopolymer Stamp Set, the Mossy Meadows Stampin' Spot. You get 10 card bases, which are right here. So you get 5. This looks like just like A2 size, maybe a little smaller. 5 of these. And then you get 5 of these. Let's see. So it goes like this. And they're printed. Really pretty. Love the wood grain. So it'll look like that once it's put together. You get 5 of those. Then you get 10 envelopes. And these are really pretty. You get 5 of each different design, and then they're printed to match the cards. I love that. This is mint macaron, mint macaron, crumb cake. I love mint macaron. It's so pretty. Sahara sand, maybe, or crumb cake. I bet it's Sahara sand. Then you get, let's see, 3 sheets of printed foil die cuts. So you get Stampin' Dimensionals, which is always nice to have. And you get the 3 printed foil die cuts. 1 sheet of laser cut elements, which is this. This is like your tree silhouette. Then you get 5 sheets of printed die cut stickers. So 5 of these, and then you get your 125 dimensionals. So this one should go pretty quick. I'm going to put together these 2 different types of cards for you. And as always, links will be below to Paper Pumpkin if you're interested in joining. If you do join, and depending on what membership you get, if it's over $50, you will get a free gift from me. So keep that in mind if you're interested. Also, if you have placed an order with me in the last 6 months of over $50 or more, please check your email. I sent out a survey asking if you want a new catalog, and I need an updated address. The catalogs cost me about $10 to send, so I want to make sure first you actually want a catalog, and second, I'm sending it to the correct address, because I would hate for me to spend the money and then it gets sent back to me and then I have to send it out again. So please check your email if you have not entered that. It's a Google form, and that's to the people that have ordered from me within the last 6 months for $50 or more. If you place an order with me at any time of $50 or more, don't forget to use the Hostess code down below, which is a new Hostess code for a free gift. But also you will receive a catalog as well. The catalogs are very expensive for me to send. Like I said, about 10 bucks each. I can't send a media mail. It's not allowed. And it's cheaper to send priority, which is it's over $7, and then the catalog is $2. So I only want to send the catalog to people that really want it because it does cost me quite a bit. If you would just like a catalog and you haven't placed an order, all I ask is that you pay shipping. I will eat the cost of the catalog. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Links for Paper Pumpkin will be below. As always, let me know if you have any questions.
Okay, so here are 2 of the stickers I had stuck down and was not recording. And here is the water, and you just layer these on top of each other. The tree silhouette, I made a mistake and did not add Stampin' Dimensionals to the other cards I made, so I'm not going to do it with this one because I want them to be consistent. But you would add a couple Stampin' Dimensionals to the back of your tree silhouette just to give it some extra dimension. This is okay as well. The card with those 4 layers of stickers is actually pretty thick, so whatever your preference is. Here are the 2 labels, or the little badges and then the labels, I guess. And I am stamping birthday on both of them. I will show you all the cards I made at the end, but I just stuck to the birthday cards for the demonstration. And then I'm placing the banner on top of the badge. And I'm laying happy to you. That way I can stick it on a block and not have to stamp a couple times. I can stamp the whole thing at once, and the spacing is perfect for the banner. So go ahead and ink up my stamp that down, and then I do the same thing with the white badge. And then for the 2 little banner, well, I add some double-sided tape to the back. And then for the 2 banners, there are 2 score lines. And so I'm going to show you how to fold those here in a moment. So here are my 2 card bases. And then I go ahead and adhere my badges down. And then here I am folding the banner pieces, as you can see. You fold the nearest one to the sentiment back, and then the other one close to the edge forward, and then it creates this little dimensional banner. And then in the center of the banner on the back, I added Stampin' Dimensionals. And then on the ends, I add glue dots, just so there's no bowing. The Stampin' Dimensionals give it a more stable look or whatever. It won't dip in the center of your card if you mail it out and it goes to the mail. Go ahead and pop all those Stampin' Dimensional backings off, and then I will adhere them to my card. And then that will complete each card. I will show you each card at the end here in a moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, if you're interested in Paper Pumpkin, the link will be below. Also, if you're interested in the catalog, let me know and I can send you a PayPal invoice for shipping if you have not ordered at least $50 worth of products from me in the last 6 months. Also, again, if you have ordered from me within the last 6 months, $50, please check your email for the Google form. I will be resending them to the ones I haven't heard from, and after that I'll kind of wait till you get back with me. So let me know what you think about this Paper Pumpkin, and stay tuned for more projects. I promise they're coming soon. This is my last week of school, so I will have more time to devote to this channel, and this time I mean it, since I won't be working for the summer. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time. Bye.